Okay, another pickup today. This one, it's not too old. Oops, sorry. Let's look at the date here. I think I paid a couple bucks. 2011. Well, that's 11 years old. Has these electronic features here, different sounds. I don't know if you can see that or not. Used to have this little rope there attached to pick stuff up. Maybe like a little raft boat. But, something for a future kid to play with. It's only 11 years old now, but if a kid's 10, it could be 20, 30 years old by then. It's got little wheels on it, held with screws, that light lights up. I picked it up because it's made by Tonka. I wasn't aware that Tonka actually produced these. I thought it was just, I grew up in the 70s. They had all the old metal construction equipment and trunks, the little toy trucks in the 80s, or the Dodge 4x4s, that kind of stuff. I had no idea they actually made a helicopter. That's hard. I guess this spins somehow. It'll look pretty cool in the dark. Spinning with the lights. Here, I'll show you that. It picks it up. Ooh. That is dark. Let's see. Well, it's pretty neat for a kid. Alrighty. Oops. Okay. So, for now, until I find a kid to give it to, it's gonna sit up here on a shelf. I need to make another shelf, or I need to start rotating inventory out. That'd be a better idea. Oh, for now we'll put them up here. That goes to him. This goes to that Mustang right there. Alright, that's it for today.